At KCF Technologies, getting started with predictive maintenance and achieving a return on investment is fast and easy. We start by deploying on rotating equipment, collecting data from these critical assets to identify abnormal behaviors, key fault modes, quality check PMs, and monitor process-related changes. But it all begins with a conversation. In that initial conversation with a KCF expert, we'll dig into your specific needs, challenges, and goals. Based on that, we'll recommend a plan, including which assets to begin with, which hardware you'll need, and which support tier makes the most sense for your team. We'll talk more about those tiers later in this video. Most partners start with our high-definition vibration sensor. It's wireless, magnetic, tracks both temperature and vibration. Sensors are installed in seconds and use an off-the-shelf battery for power. With a low center of gravity, sensors remain firmly planted on equipment and don't create extraneous noise from moving on equipment. The high-definition vibration sensor offers industry-leading, high-definition, minute-by-minute monitoring to successfully diagnose 90% of all machine health faults. This data is then sent to smart diagnostics through the base station gateway. As your program grows, you can add tools like the IoT Hub, built for more complex assets and assets that require triggering or synchronized readings, or our piezo sensing solution for ultra-low speed assets. Once the KCF Technologies team professionally installs the hardware, we configure your system in Smart Diagnostics. We'll group your assets, label sensor points, and make sure everything's structured and ready. From there, Smart Diagnostics takes over. Data is sent through Dart Wireless, our proprietary wireless protocol that avoids interference and preserves data quality. Desk AI runs in the background, watching for early fault patterns. Desk AI was built on over 20 years of expertise and billions of data points per month. When an issue develops, a desk ticket is created automatically by Desk AI. It includes fault details, severity, and suggested next steps. This becomes your hub for solving the problem, shared between your team, our analysts, and anyone else involved. Everything stays in Desk. Photos, comments, ROI tracking, and historical tickets, making it easy to learn from the past and keep everyone aligned. For more advanced users, Workbench is where your analysts can dig into raw data, view trend lines, correlate vibration with process data, even listen to equipment through machine voice, all in one place. We have a solution for all levels of in-house expertise. There are 3 service tiers to choose from when partnering with KCF Technologies, each suited for your unique needs. Desk AI, Desk AI Plus, and Sentry Solutions. Desk AI is for companies with in-house expertise and resources capable of managing and optimizing predictive maintenance tools independently. You'll get automated callouts from Desk AI, and then your in-house experts take it from there. Desk AI Plus is great for companies seeking a collaborative approach to maintenance management, where expert oversight acts as a co-pilot to enhance data analysis. Sentry Solutions is for companies looking for a highly integrated digital transformation partner with a hands-on support from expert Cat 2, Cat 3 analysts, supported by automatic Desk AI callouts. Getting started with KCF is straightforward. Build a predictive maintenance program grounded in real results, with the right tools, support, and data from day one. To learn more, schedule a call or request a demo.